Hi guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how to save Subtitle SRT file in Capcut. The process is simple and easy, but for this we will not use the desktop Capcut application. Because in recent update, Capcut removed the feature of saving SRT file directly from the application. So how can we save the SRT files? For this we will use the Capcut online video editing tool. First, close the application. After it, open your PC browser. And in the search bar, simply write Capcut. After writing search for it, and on the first number, you can see Capcut all-in-one video editor. Simply tap on it. Then you will be directly moved to the home page of Capcut Video Editor. Maybe it will ask to sign in your account, so don't need to hesitate. Simply sign in with your account. Here you can see new video. Tap on this option plus. Then we will move to the editing section, and here for importing new video, tap on this option, click to upload, and select your media from your PC. As you can see, I already import my video. Now tap on it, and then it will be added to the timeline. Now time to generate caption like we did in the CapCut. Take a look on the left side. Here you can see the option caption. Tap on this, and tap on the option auto caption. And from here, select your language, and tap on the option generate. Now it starts generating, and it will take a while because my video is not too much longer. So that's why it did not take too much time. And on the left side, you can see my captions are generated. If you want to change something, then double tap on it and change the captions. After generating the captions, you can see the option export caption. Just tap on it. And from here, choose the SRT file. Here you can see it has been downloaded. Now I am opening it. And here you will get the exact subtitle of your video, and you can also see the timeline. So it was the primary way by which you can save Subtitle SRT file in CapCut.